Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to receive USD in Binance. First, ensure you are logged into your verified Binance account. From the home page, locate and click on the wallet icon, then select Fiat and Spot. Next, find USD in your list of assets and click Deposit. This will take you to the crucial step of selecting the correct network for your transaction. After clicking Deposit for USD, you'll see various network options such as ERC20, TRC20, BEP20, and others. It is absolutely vital to select the same network that the sender is using. For example, if they send via TRC20, you must choose TRC20. Once selected, your unique USD deposit address will appear. Copy this address carefully and provide it to the person sending you USD. Before finalizing any transaction, always double-check that the network you selected on Binance precisely matches the network the sender is using. A mismatch could result in permanent loss of your funds. Also, carefully review the entire deposit address you copied. Binance typically has a very small minimum deposit amount, often less than 1 USD, so be aware of that detail. Once the sender initiates the transfer, the USD will be processed on the blockchain. Transaction times can vary from a few minutes to longer, depending on network congestion. You can track its status using the transaction ID. Your USD will then appear in your Binance Spot wallet. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your newly received USD.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.